Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your debit card zip code, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you figure out the debit card zip code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to figure out the debit card zip code? Well, that's pretty easy. As you know, if you're going to be making a purchase online using your bank debit card, oftentimes websites will need you to disclose the debit card zip code in order for that purchase to go through. But if you look at your debit card, there is nothing on here that references any kind of zip code aside from the zip code that the bank is located in, but that is not what they're talking about. Whatever the case, is a pretty easy process. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. Now, one thing I want to let you know, when someone is asking about your debit card zip code, they're referencing where your bank statement is mailed to normally. So oftentimes that's going to be your home address. However, if you have a PO box or if you have some sort of a mail stop like the UPS store, then you're going to need to use that address. Now, if you're somebody who has 3, 4, 5, or 10 different addresses and you're not sure where to find that information, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to log into your banking app. So I bank with Chase, so I'm going to go ahead and go into Chase, or you can actually look at your paper statement if you still receive those, because wherever your bank statement, your paper statement is mailed to, that's generally what is going to be the zip code used for your bank debit card. And let me show you what I mean. So let me go ahead and open up my Chase app. It's this blue and white one right here. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Chase app. This is the home screen. One thing I want to let you know, depending on which bank you bank with, the process is going to be just a little bit different, but basically the same thing. You're going to need to log into your banking app and then look for your historical banking statements. And for Chase, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, so for the Chase app, once you click there, you're going to look for this line here called Statements and Documents. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu of different documents you can get for your bank account, but we're looking for the most recent banking statement for your Chase account or your bank account. So let me click here on Statements. Okay, so if you have multiple accounts like I do, you'll need to choose the account that's attached to your bank debit card. So this bank debit card is attached to my checking account. So let me click here. Okay, so they're letting me know it goes back up to 7 years, but that doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and pull the most recent statement. So it looks like September 6th is the most recent statement. So we'll click here. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my recent statement. This is my most recent banking statement. And you can see on the top left that my banking statements are mailed to this address. And you're going to look for the 5-digit zip code. You can see this one says 90006, but it has this 4-digit extension. Don't worry about that. You just want to use the 5 digits. That's the easiest way I know how to find the zip code if you happen to have multiple zip codes is, again, you want to go for the banking statement, the most recent banking statement. Another side note I want to make is if you're trying to make a purchase online with your debit card and you're entering your zip code and the website saying that the zip code is incorrect, it is possible that your bank had some sort of a data entry error and the zip code that they have on file is not correct. If that's the case, then you need to call your bank and then have them update that. Usually they can update that right away. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to figure out the debit card zip code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.